guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Guys, take a look at this hair. Take a look at this hair. I absolutely love this hairstyle. Now the inspiration for this hairstyle is from a Loc hairstyle, which is a Loc Petal Updo. I saw it from another YouTuber here on the platform. Her name is Alissia Dawn. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. It's either Alissia or Alissia Dawn. So I decided, you know what, I'm gonna try this on my hair because anyone who knows me well knows that I love locks. I wanted to put locks into my hair, but I love styling my hair too much to go ahead and do locks. So I kind of just do a lot of styles with my loose natural hair rather than go the lock route. But I so love a few of the styles that are being done with locks. It's just so beautiful. So when I saw the Petal Updo, I figured, you know what, I am gonna try this on my natural hair. There is also another YouTuber on the platform, I think Sweet Von Lu, Naturally Sweet Von Lu, I think is her name. She did something similar, but she had it like just 4 bangs to the front of her hair, and then she had like a normal bun to the back. But guys, I absolutely love how this turned out. The height is not as much as I would have wanted, but I know what I'm gonna do next time around when I am putting in this hairstyle. But without any further ado, let's get into the tutorial. Okay guys, so I am starting with my hair not very stretched. I actually did a co-wash with my Tresemme conditioner sometime last week, and all I did was leave in the oil rinse. Well, I did my normal oil rinse after washing, and I did no more moisturizing after that because I kind of wanted it to be stretched but kind of wanted it to be a little rough at the same time, if you know what I mean. Because you know, with locks they are thick and full, and I figured if I were to stretch my hair too much, the twist that I will do for this style would kind of look a little lame and may not stand up the way that I want it to. So I left my hair kind of rough for this style. I am going to just detangle slightly and then just put my hair up into a ponytail. So guys, you already know how I put in my hair for my buns and updos, so skip to next scene. So I moisturize with the leave-in and my hair butter. And as you all can see guys, I try to keep it close to the front because I want those petals to be all over and just to kind of almost be like little bangs when I am done. So now comes the time consuming part. We're gonna put this hair into some twists. Now we want to put them not too small because we want to have that little volume on the twist when we put them in. So let's see what size. This looks like it could be good. Detangle those ends just a bit and twist. Now I am trying to twist it as tight as I can so that it does not unravel and it gives it a nice little rope kind of look. Perfect. This size should be perfect. So let's put in those twists. guys, this is it, I'm done. Oh, it looks like it's just like a mop on my head. Okay, so it took me about half an hour to put in these twists. Oh gosh, I totally forgot how long it took to twist up my hair. The things I do for you all, right? The things I do with this hair and for you all. But I'm happy that you all appreciate it whenever I do these styles, so it's all worth it. So I'm gonna smooth it out a little bit. I think it may have gotten a little loose when I was doing the twists. So it's a good thing I started it off a bit tight when I put in the ponytail. Okay, so now in order to get the petals going, if you observed when I was doing the twist, I kind of did them into little rows from hair going in, so that when I take off a twist, I know it kind of fits where I want it to fit. So I'm gonna take this twist, and what you want to do is put the end around, so it kind of just creates a little petal right here, and just fit it into place. Now because those are close to the base, I'm gonna just use a hairpin, and I will save the rubber bands for the ones on the inside. I'm gonna do the same thing to all those twists, strategically placing them because you want to have them fall nicely. So the first couple of ones here, I kind of want them to look almost like a bang, almost. So I'm placing them in that kind of way, so that it gives me that full bang kind of look. Ooh, I'm actually really liking how they're looking, guys. It looks cute. Wow. Okay. Twist. Nicely in place, and here we have it. So let's just keep going. Now because I want most of it to be to the front, I'm gonna just pin them up to the front first, and then I will see how it looks to the back, and then decide how I want it to be at the back. So I'm not gonna go further than this, so that everything falls kind of in my face, that kind of thing. So we're just gonna keep pinning them in place like this. My arms are tired. Okay, let's go. Guys, was to have a little volume. I wanted it to be a bit high up here, so let's see if that works out. A lot of the tutorials I saw for this style, they used rubber bands, but I am finding that using the hairpins is so much easier than using rubber bands. Although I am not using rubber bands, so I'm not sure how easy it would have been, but I'm finding it so easy using the hairpins. I think what would have worked even better is having the hair a bit higher up, like putting it a bit tighter. If I had it a bit tighter, I think the twists would have been higher up, so it would have just made this huge little petal thingy up here, because I kind of really was hoping it would be, you know, high. Now it wouldn't be a loc inspired hairstyle if I didn't pay homage to some of the accessories. So I'm gonna just clip in some of these little gold things here and there to add a little extra oomph to the style. A little oomph, because you all know how we do. It's so cute. It's not terrible. I kind of saw it coming out always different, but it's not terrible. Let's see. Okay, so I'm just gonna press this a little and hope it comes higher up a bit. And then I'm gonna fix my face, come back and show you all the complete look. Okay guys, so this is how it's looking with my face all done. Put my little earrings to, you know, pay homage to the little loc vibes going on right here. And what I did, I took one of the other hair ties that I had and I tightened it just a little bit, and I put some of the twists, just pull them up a little bit so that it gives it just a little more height, so that it can look a little, you know, extra. But let's do a 360 on this hairstyle. I'll give love to the world, I stay true to my word. We'd be queens and kings of everything. I could gaze at the stars, take my rocket to Mars. We'd be queens and kings of everything. I bet my heart on you. I love it! You know, I will definitely try this again, and on the next try I am going to put it all the way up here, so that way when I do all the twists it kind of gives it that added volume and not just, you know, flat how it is right now. But let me know guys in the comment section, what do you think about this hairstyle? I will leave Alissia's link down in the description box that you can go check her out. Let me know if there are any other loc inspired hairstyles you would like to see me try. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!